Hello, and thank you for joining me. My name is Jessica, and I'd like to introduce you to one of the most unique soft folding tonneau covers available, the SC4, the only cover that offers 100% use of your truck bed. Like all our products, the SC4 is engineered and tested right here in the USA, offering a combination of design and functionality that stands out, especially compared to your typical soft covers. The SC4 boasts all the same great features you've come to expect from a Worksport tonneau cover, but with the bonus of being able to fully access your truck bed from bulkhead to tailgate. Join us as we dive into what sets Worksport's SC3 apart from all the other covers out there. Let's first run through some of the standard features that you could expect from every single soft cover that we produce at Worksport. Just like our SC3 lineup, the SC4 comes fully assembled and fits most makes and models. Its lightweight and durable design makes installation a breeze with no need for drilling or modifications to your truck bed. The cover is contoured to prevent water from pooling on the surface, which helps prevent the tarp from sagging over time. Your cargo is also well protected from the elements thanks to its one-piece vinyl tarp design, perimeter Q seals that conform to the bed rails, foam pads for added protection at the corners and hinges, and an optional adhesive foam tape for the bulkhead. Because of its great tensile strength and enhanced resistance to corrosion, we only use high-quality stainless steel for all of our hardware in our soft covers. They also feature a textured matte black finish on its aluminum frame, cross members, and brackets to provide maximum protection and prevent unwanted scratches or abrasions. Worksport's soft covers are designed with injected molded corner caps for additional reinforcement that help prevent the tarp from curling. We also use a high quality and extremely durable material for our soft cover tarps. Since our covers fold to allow incremental bed access, we protect our tarp material from the sun's harmful UV rays on both the top and the bottom sides. The SC4 also features extra strong UV-protected marine-grade stitching to prevent tearing due to prolonged sun exposure, as well as protected Q seals to stop premature cracking of the rubber. The Worksport's SC4 stands out with its smart design, quality materials, and UV protection, ensuring it's both incredibly functional and long-lasting. Yet, its distinctive ability to flip up against the cabin, offering full access to your truck bed, is what truly sets it apart, making it the only soft cover developed in the USA to offer full bed access, and the only tonneau cover to do it without your cargo being obstructed by cumbersome drainage rails or a dead panel. The SC4 allows you to make the most of your truck bed, accommodating oversized items like ATVs or large pieces of furniture that extend past the bed rail, while still allowing the tailgate to be completely shut. Securing your tailgate while driving offers peace of mind, allowing you to drive at higher speeds without worrying that anything will escape from your truck bed, potentially damaging your cargo, or worse, causing a serious accident. As you know, there's always risks involved with keeping valuables in the bed of your truck, and we recognize that security is paramount. The SC4, like all of our covers, will keep exposed tools and equipment out of sight, preventing your truck from being a potential target for theft. Additionally, the SC4 uses a rear cam latch that's designed to resist tampering and a total of 4 secure latching points, making forced entry even more difficult than a typical trifold tonneau cover. If the SC4 impresses you, our Pro Series is bound to captivate. If you're interested in an enhanced usability and convenience, then upgrading to the SC4 Pro is a must. Our Pro Series tonneau covers come equipped with our cable release rear latching system and is secured to the truck bed using our easily installed unique bracket hardware, which avoids the use of cumbersome drainage rails. Opening and closing your tonneau cover is also faster and easier thanks to Worksport's cable release at all 4 latching points, which allows for single-sided operation. Additionally, you are still able to access your truck bed if your tailgate is partially obstructed. If there's enough space to slip your hand through and pull the release cable, you'll be able to open your cover and access the contents of your truck bed. Worksport's SC4 and SC4 Pro are equipped with the features you would expect in a quality tonneau cover and is proudly designed, stocked, and shipped in the USA. We offer free same-day shipping on all our products and a lifetime warranty on any defective materials and craftsmanship. For additional information or any questions about Worksport's products, please contact our customer service teams located in Canada and the US, or visit us at www.worksport.com.